students, how are you?
I hope
You're fine. I am
fine also.
so
Very
breaking news
about
your result.
I'm telling
You am updating
you time to
time now,
nowadays,
and this
video can be
is special for you.
because
I
I'm about
to tell you
good
good news regarding
your result.
so
So
that is stay
in this
video, and
and
you have
to promise
with me that
that
you have
to watch
complete video.
and don't
Skip this video.
and
Please don't
skip
this video in,
in middle.
and
Just you
have to watch
complete video.
I
I'm telling you
step to
step
what is happening
in Delhi
in university and
and
why
your result.
delayed. So
I'm confirming
confirming you everything
each and
everything in
this video.
just
So
for within 8
minutes I'll finish
minutes this video
7 or 8.
8 minutes
So that's why
you have to see
complete video.
video.
Okay, let's
Start now.
I'm confirming
Giving you
firstly
High Court decision.
decision.
You know what
Happened in
on
Wednesday.
Wednesday I made last
Last video
regarding that about regarding High
to decision.
Court what happened.
But
You know
High
Court had
adjourned
next
date
and on
dated
6th
November
2020,
20.
and let's see
What will happen
happen on 26th
6th
November
2020
20.
and we
Will
I'll update
update you
gradually.
gradually.
It means
I'll update you
do
after
4 days.
4 days,
I think so.
and
Then let's see what
what will happen because
uh,
of honorable
High Court
court decision will
will be
interim decision.
season and
And then we will
we can imagine
imagine that when
well.
it upload.
So
Basically I
made this video
you for
you just
and you are
watching
and
likewise
this you are seeing
here
Delhi University
city OB
result.
and
You are seeing here
some words
words in Hindi,
and
and you
seen here
enter roll.
number
So
so that I'm
confirming you again
again
in this
video
that
just
you have
to go in home
homepage of Delhi,
universities.
and how will
Will you reach
for that
just
you have you I know very
well that
you
you have
your
own phone,
phone, you have
your
own cell phone,
and
just you have
to open
your browser,
and
you have to
enter there
du.in,
or you can type
type www.du.ac.in,
www.ac.in
and then
just you have
to enter
your keyboards button
button, and
then
a new page
will
open front of,
of you
and then
and you have
to if you are
open
opening SOL
website then
just you have to
enter
www.sol.ac,
www.ac.in
sorry,
button
and then just
you have to
continue the
website
because of in the
on
the home page
of SOL
you will not
getting
nothing, you
will not getting
will there,
something new
and then just
just
hold
on and
and
after
within few seconds
you have
to continue
the website
and then
continue the website
and then you will
get a new
page,
and then just
you have to
enter
enter that
Delhi University have said to faculty that they have to submit their result there. It means students result as soon as possible, and you know what, I have already told you that dated 26 is next hearing date in High Court, and some petitions are going on there, so that's why. Let's see what will happen in hearing date on hearing date. And you know what, some students are facing few problems like absent and zero marks, etc. So all conclusion will be there after 26th November 2020. You will get all conclusion, and before they are trying that before 31st of November your result should be out, and within remaining days your result should be upload on the website as High Court said to Delhi University that the pending results should be out as soon as possible because of it has already delayed, and now it should not take ample time. So, students, I am telling you that don't worry, because of a long period has passed. You are waiting for your result by August, from August, and when you appeared your exams of first phase, then you can calculate that August, September, October, November, third month has been started, but your result is not announcing. And you know what, a regular student is good more than you because of their result has been out, but some problems are creating there. They are not getting proper result. They are getting absent. I already told you they are getting absent, 0 marks, etc. And they are going in inquiry, and they are saying that we need our scorecard, and we want a number there, and we are not getting number, and we are getting 0 marks in column. So we need improve our their scorecard. So that's why they are going in inquiry, they are filling petition, etc. So basically, School of Open Learning students, I'm telling you, I'm confirming you that your result did not upload till now because of this is good thing, and they are rectifying firstly who students are facing some problem like absent and 0 marks, and most probably Delhi University is trying that SOL student will not face this type of problem, and they will not face like absent and 0 marks, etc. And they are improving this thing, and when they'll upload your result on the website, SOL website, I told you what is procedure, you know very well. If you don't know, then you can skip this video and you can go in backward, and then you can check what I said before. And when will you open SOL website, sol.ac.in, then continue to website, and then you can check your result. You will find their activated link, but still now you can't see. You have to wait for a few days more, and I can understand you have tired now, and you have listened a lot of times that you have to wait more. So I told you before 31st of November your result will be announced. If you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.